Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how I reskinned some cheap aluminum eBay underbed boxes for my 1970 Chevy C30. Here is a box that I already finished for the other side. I finished it late last year. And here is another door that I finished the other day. I'll be mounting a hose drill behind it as well as a pull-out toolbox with drawers. This is the basic box that I bought off eBay. It was a little over $100. It's just a cheap aluminum 18 gauge box, and I'm going to be reskinning it with some .050 mil aluminum sheet. I will also be doing the same with this box. Just a little overview on the truck. It's a skirted flatbed, and it does have a removable dovetail, so it is a ramp truck. I will be doing all the bead roll work on a homemade bead roller. It uses Woodward Fab rollers, a Harbor Freight winch. Here is the basic layout of my template I have drawn. Now I'm going to go cut it out on my cold cut saw. Now I'm going to take it over to my metal brake and put 2 bends in it, and it's going to help take this bowing out of it, this tin canning. Alright, here's the finished panel. Has the 2 bends in it. Now I just need to mount it on the front of the door, and I'll start cutting out. We're going to start fitting the panel to the box. We're just going to be using some self tappers, and eventually they'll be riveted on after it is painted. Making the template for the latch is very easy. After all, we're just reskinning a door that it already has the hole cut out. I went ahead and cut the hole off camera. The latch drops right in there perfectly. And here is the finished door. Let's go do a test fit on the truck. Here is the finished on the truck. It's just sitting in place right now. Still needs to be adjusted a little bit, but the body line, those lines are perfect. All right, here's the panel with the latches installed. All right, here is the finished box. It's just sitting in place right now, but it looks really good with the rest of them. All right, well, the box is finished. Let me know what you all think. That is all I have planned for this video right now. Hopefully in a couple days it'll be warm enough to get it painted. Quick overview of the boxes. The panels have been riveted on the fronts. They've also been seam sealed around the perimeter of the box, so no water will be able to, or debris will be able to get in between the 2 layers of aluminum. Now all that is left to do is get everything painted and install the air compressors and the front box along with the battery.